Hey folks, Bayou Golf in my yard working on my swing on a very windy day. See, I came out here today to work on my short game, and why I'm doing this video, I want to show you something that I went through today. Maybe it'll help you out somewhere down the road. Okay, I started off, all I want to do is work on my short game. I mean, I'm going to be very dedicated from 100 yards in this year. I started hitting shanks. I went through 4 shag bags. My shag bag holds 85 golf balls. I went through 4 of them hitting shanks. I put out a distress call. Bill Phillips called me. He called me back. I told him what was going on. We did a FaceTime. Folks, let me tell you something. It always has to have another set of eyes. Someone who understands channel life. I knew what was going on. I knew it was the hosel. I was leading with the hosel, but I couldn't. I was so frustrated I couldn't figure it out. We all, look, we're all human. We all go through, every teacher does not have a perfect day. Just, all right, we all have to have another set of eyes. So he saw me. You know what he saw? My arms were too close to my body. All right. Now maybe this is just for people with long arms. Maybe this is for people who has a one length clubs. Maybe this is people who are bigger up here. I don't know. That's for you to figure out. But what works for me, what he showed me, come up here, owner deviation. It's just like when I was holding my driver. I cream my driver. But with my irons, I'm more tucked in. Okay? Driver, we'll call the driver mode. Driver mode, take this right hand, come up underneath the ball. I was too level. You know, I still believe in the teeter-totter, okay? But my teeter-totter was too level. Doesn't blow the camera, okay. Come up underneath, it drops that right shoulder. The whole right side is on a little lean. Now, instead of being so deep in the channel, now he's got me coming up, collapsing the right elbow. I was too flat. Folks, that was in a very strong right to left wind. Right down the middle, little baby draw on the end. All right, I don't know how much longer this camera's gonna hold up with these winds. We got some very strong winds today. But I wanna talk some more about this on the back porch. But if you're having that problem, stretch them arms out. I haven't pulled a shot. I haven't pulled a shot today since I got my arms stretched out and I got that arm, right hand side, right hand underneath, right side down. If you can't learn something new every day, why are you living? All right, Bayou Golf, I'll be on the porch in just a little while.